Hey guys, so I got a new bird here. It copies what you say if you press this button here. I can make it say ow. So first I'm going to show you how it works. Hello!
Hello!
Okay, now, first you have to press the button. So if you have this form, it comes with a page. It's from Little Life Pets, Mornington Peninsula, Rosebud, Hyde Plaza. I got this from Rosebud. I live in Cookcroft. Wait, no. I don't. Oh, yeah. I live in, yeah. Anyway. This little guy is going to tell us ow, because, yeah. But I'm not going to say ow. I know a secret way. It's say A. A.
Ow, ow.
Oh, it's not working. A. Ow. 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 Ay. So yeah. That's how you do it. Oh, I'm gonna go do something. Like and subscribe. Okay, Birdie wants to say something. See you here.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, so you better like and subscribe. Heard what the birdie said. If you want me to show you more life hacks, life hacks about my birds, like and subscribe. If I can get to at least 5 subscribers, I'll do another. Bye guys. Peace out.